next series in this circuit is what I call get ups and get downs, which is pretty self-explanatory. I'm simply holding the ball on my head while I get up, and then I get back down. And I start out supine or face up, and I get up from a supine position, and then I go back down to a supine position. And then I go to my side body with placing the ball. Here I have the ball placed on my ear, and I'm actually doing an isometric contraction with my cervical spine here with my neck just to hold the ball in place. And then I get up from lying down side body, so I laterally stand up. And then the last thing that comes up is the cervical spine. So the very last thing that pushes the ball up is the spine, the cervical spine. Then I go back down in the exact same order. So I'll let you just watch the rest of this on your own, follow along. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Let me know how this goes for you. I'm not the best with videos and editing, and if this is not the most convenient way for you to consume this material or content, please let me know how I can improve. And my goal is to help you to feel better, look younger, and live longer. So help me help you. Let me know how you would like to see this information and what would help you. Go to jingpalace.com. If you have any questions, you can reach out and contact me. Paid subscribers on there, it's only $5 a month. All the content is free, but if you're a paid subscriber, it really helps me. I appreciate it very much. And also, I'm happy to do a free phone consult with any of my paid subscribers, as well as offer half price for any online sessions. If you'd like to set up a one-on-one, we can do that for half price if you're a member of jingpalace.com, which goes to Substack. And then I will help you one-on-one over an online video to really make sure that you're doing everything correctly, safely, and most effectively. So again, my name is Doc Smith. I'll let you enjoy the rest of this on your own. We're gonna go from the get ups and get downs. Here in a minute, we will shift. There's gonna be a hinge series, and then there will be a lunge series, then a wide leg hinge series, then a squat series, then tiny ball series, and then it will go back through the rebounder and the Jing Palace ballet that I did at the beginning. So thank you very much for joining, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. And on behalf of all of us here at Jing Palace, which is just me and the two sweet dogs, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for joining me today for this mobility sequence. At jingpalace.com, you can find all kinds of free content that will help you to feel better, look younger, and live longer. Think about, why are we feeling the way that we feel? And when did we feel no pain? When did we feel great? And how did we look? What was the difference? What was the difference in our posture? This is the essence of Jing Palace method. Check it out at jingpalace.com.